Hey, what's going on guys? Ravi here from Era FX along with Mr. Zebo. Welcome you to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. So in this video we'll be learning to make this unfolding title reveal animation in a very simple way using Adobe Premiere Pro. So without any delay,
let's get started.
Alright, so in the first step all we have to do is create a background. So I have a video here. Let me drag this to the right side panel here so that a sequence is created. We'll be using this butterfly footage or any other footage to generate the background, and in order to do that I'll simply add an effect to it. I'll go to the effects panel and simply type camera blur, and I'll drag this camera blur effect onto our video just like this. And I'll set the percentage of blurriness to 15. Alright, so this looks good to me. So we'll be adding a title here. So in order to do that, go to the file menu here and click on new and create a new legacy title. Click OK, and you can see that a title editor is opened here, and I'll click on this T button here so that you enable the type tool, and I'll simply type some text. Let me type unfolding title reveal. Okay, I'll select this entire thing and I'll use these legacy title presets. I'll use this blue one and I'll just center this just like this, and also center this. Okay, so now all you have to do is add a box around this. So in order to do that, click on this rectangle tool here and create a box something like this. Okay, let me just move this like this. So I'll change this fill type to eliminate, and I'll add some inner strokes, and I'll increase the edge, and I'll be changing this color to white just so that it looks good. Okay, let me close this now. And I'll go to my project panel and I'll simply drag this title onto my video just like this. Once you drag this video, let me just increase it until the end of the video, and the first thing that you'll have to do is go to the effects panel and simply type in 3D, and you have this basic 3D here in the perspective folder, and drag this onto our title just like this. So at the first frame, make sure you click on this timer button here for swivel and change this value to -90 degrees just so that it is covered like this, and go to around 1.5 seconds forward and change this to 0. So now if I start playing this is how it's going to look like. So your title starts showing up something like this. Okay, this looks good. And you can also add an effect. Go to the effects panel and type in crop, and you have this crop effect, and drag this onto the title like this. And since we want this folding to appear in such a way that it is unfolding from the center, we'll have to change the crop value of right to 50. Okay, so you can see that this is unfolding something like this. Now we'll have to replicate the same thing to the other side as well. So hold Alt on your keyboard and simply drag this title to the top just so that it gets duplicated. And what you'll have to do now is change the swivel value of the topmost video that you have duplicated to positive 90 degrees at the first frame, and now you can see that it is unfolding something like this. And you have to simply change the the crop percentage of change this right to 0 and change it the left value to 50. So now if I start playing this is how it's unfolding. Perfect. So this is how you make a unfolding title reveal animation. Let me just render this out to give you a clear idea on what's happening. Alright, so this is how you make the unfolding title reveal animation that you can usually use for music video openings or vlog openings like this. I hope you found this video helpful, and if that's the case, give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to talk with me regarding visual effects and video editing, you can always connect with me on Instagram at VFXGuyRavi. Mr. Zebo, would you like to add something?
Subscribe for more tutorials.
Alright, so see you guys next time with another tutorial.